Okay, hello everyone and welcome to TWST programs. Today is the November 21st. Here is my date and time from this control panel. This is the FusionBOT, the new bot, the most robust trading bot that you can change anything you want on the fly, from daily goals, trading time, entry values for the scanner and the signals. I have it now set to 7 minutes. Here it is. Anything you want you can change on the fly on this program. Anything you want, from the offset limit to a market to a number of contract, target, and stops. All that can be done on the fly without right-clicking and go to strategy and all that stuff. No need for this anymore on this program. We can do all that on this panel. Also, we have crazy amount of the trailing stops option, and the trigger by ticks, points, currency, or bar. If you choose anything you want from this control panel or trailing stop, you can trigger that if you want by ticks, points, currency, or bar. The movement trigger. Trying to be more clear on this. This means the trail threshold will be triggering based on bars or ticks, points, or currency. And here is the adjustments for it. You can also trail the trigger by any percentage you want. 50, 70, that means it will be closer to the last price. You don't want to have it too tight. You can do something like 70 or 50 or 80. And we have 4 trailing stop option for each one of these entries. We have 4 brackets with 4 profit, target, and trailing stops. Profit targets are, just the just target, nothing special. So if I click buy, targets are just basic targets, nothing special. But the trailing stop triggers based on those options. Okay, looks like the bar will change it to ticks. Okay, this is the area where you can switch this control panel to any side or any corner you want on the chart. Now, all you gotta do is change and click apply. We have long entry sound, short entry sound. You can pick anything you want. Also, we have the test voice.
Voice alerts active and working, using Microsoft David Desktop.
You can use any voice you want.
Voice alerts active and working, using Microsoft Zero Desktop.
Female, male, or the signals, calls. Also, we have equity curve with the amount of trades with win rates that shows also live. We can also reset it to start from this trade. Now watch how it updates live on, tick by tick. Okay, the trailing stops moved because I'm using EMA trailing ATR with ticks. You can do points, also that will be helpful. Once you switch the settings, you will have to click on Apply Settings. Also, we have Manage Template. You can load, save, import, export templates from this panel. We don't need to go to strategies anymore and use this panel. This panel, I think, is zero use for this program. No need to use this control panel anymore on this program. We can do all that from these panels. We can import, export. All you gotta do is select and export or import. Okay, here it is. We can export these templates and send it to a friend or a user. We can do that. You can simply select all these and export them. Simple as that. Same thing with the importing. Import, you can simply import whatever you have downloaded from someone else, or if you have anything on your desktop or anywhere you have templates, you can click on them and click open, and they will be shown in this panel. Let me show you how this works. I'm gonna export or delete these just to show. So I'm deleting all these. I'm gonna import them again. Here they are, and boom, within seconds. Now you get to pick any template you want to use. Also, it will show the template name that you have loaded in this corner. If I use RTY balanced, now it's going to show in this corner. Okay, here it is after, because once you click.
Short from 24,520.3, now 176 ticks.
Okay, that was the signal call voice from the scanner. As you can see, once you load and you click apply, the template will show
short from 24,520.3, now
what you are using.
In 1 ticks.
Okay, those setups, they load with the voice calls on. I will just saving a few templates just to test. These are just for the test, import, export, and how these things or how the panel works. Also, you can before I move to the performance, you can also search for the template or a specific template. If you have huge list, like an example, if you have 50 or 100 lists and you don't want to go through them, you can simply just look for that specific template. Probably could be a CL. Click search, and it's going to show you only the CL. If you type the full name, it's going to show you that one particular setup. You can clear the box to see all the others as well. Performance. This one shows, this is the spreadsheet panel. It shows your weekly, daily performance. Also, you can refresh anytime you want to see the latest results. Pretty cool stuff on this program. If you want to get it, it's going to be available in the website. Also, you can find the link down below in the website. Also, if you click on the close, it closes all the open panels. You can also trigger manually trades, and you can simply readjust targets and stops on the fly. Click apply. Okay, the reason why it's
Daily
not
loss limit reached.
taking trades because it did hit the daily goal of loss limit. If you want to trade again, you will have to refresh the program. You can simply trade manually or leave it fully automated. And it's going to trade fully automated for you. I think that's all for today. We'll be doing more to show this program next week, how the program works and everything. I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next video.